practical is the measurement. This practical is the measurement of the screw thread parameter using toolmaker's microscope or a profile projector. This setup is of profile projector. Here we can see a threaded nut, threaded screw is there, and the horizontal line of the profile projector is touching the crease point of all threads. Now I will take this reading as the initial reading for measurement of major diameter and minor diameter. We will see here the main scale reading. Main scale reading is 5 plus LC into circular scale reading. Main scale reading is 5. LC, our LC is 0.001, and the circular scale reading is 92. 5.51092 mm. R1 point is 5.092. Now we will move this we can see here all the creased points are touching the horizontal line. Now this reading is 6, 7, 8. Main scale reading plus LC into CSR. Main scale reading is 8 plus LC 0.001 into circular scale reading is 90. So we got the answer 8.090 mm. The difference of two difference will be 8.090 minus 5.092. Is equal to 2.998. So major diameter, that is DO, we got 2.998 mm. Now we will take the readings for minor diameter. We can see here all the root points are touching the horizontal line. This reading is main scale reading is 8 plus least count is 0.01. Circular scale reading is 45, 46, 47, 47.5. 47.5. We got the reading. .475 mm. Similarly, we will take the reading for the upper root line. Main scale reading is for this is 5 mm plus LC 0.001 into circular scale reading is 45, 46, 49.5. Is equal to 5.0495. Now the difference, that is D inner diameter, is equal to 8.475 minus 5.0495. We will get 3.4255 mm. So the outer diameter, so we got inner diameter as 3.4255 mm. Now we will see how to measure the angle. We can see over here the angle is, your pointer is there, angle is 330, 332, 340, 331, 32, 33, 34, 334 degree. 334 degree. This is our initial reading. Now we will move this angle we got the reading 335, 38, 39 degree. Now we will calculate the angle. Initial reading was 334 degree. We have to minus this 334 degree from 360. and plus 39 degree in it. So 360 minus 334 is equal to 26. 26 plus 39, we got the angle as 65 degree. So the angle of this thread is 65 degree.